In a world where time weaves the fabric of history, there exists a mesmerizing tapestry, a tapestry of fashion that has adorned humanity through the ages. I am your guide, Grace, and together we'll embark on a narrative journey through the annals of time, exploring fashion across the ages. Let us step back into the ancient corridors of civilization. Amidst the grandeur of the Egyptian court, gold and gems adorned the regal garments, reflecting their divinity. In Greece, fabrics cascaded like poetry, as the togas wrapped around philosophers and warriors alike, embodying the essence of democracy. These fabrics were not merely clothing. They were a language, whispering tales of status and culture to those who dared to listen. As the pages of history turned, the Renaissance painted a canvas of opulence. Exquisite gowns, adorned with intricate embroidery and rich fabrics, told stories of prosperity and artistic fervor. Fashion became a symphony of color and form, echoing the flourishing spirit of the age. The Roaring Twenties swung into view, and with them, the flapper dresses, short hair, and a fiery spirit of rebellion. Women danced to the rhythms of newfound freedom, their dresses shimmering like moonlit waves. The 1960s erupted in kaleidoscopic rebellion. Miniskirts and bell-bottoms declared a revolution against norms, as tie-dye shirts painted a canvas of peace and love. Our journey through time accelerates as we arrive in the modern realm. The 21st century stands as a testament to fusion. Styles of yore blend seamlessly with contemporary threads, giving rise to a new era of expression. This age breathes with a conscious heartbeat. Sustainability finds its place in the narrative, as fashion becomes a vessel for change, echoing society's call for mindful consumption. As we return from this temporal odyssey, remember that fashion is more than threads woven together. It's the poetry of humanity, a silent conversation across time and space. Thank you for joining me on this journey through fashion across the ages. If you found this voyage intriguing, don't forget to sail with us again. Like, subscribe, and become a part of our chronicle. Until we meet again, keep weaving your own stories through the fabrics of life.